open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't be BM. We should be closer than friends.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So just jumping right into it. As you can see, my hair has already been washed and conditioned. I used an overnight mask from the Main Choice. It's part of the Prickly Pear collection. Smells amazing. And for my cleanser, I used Camille Rose's the Step 1 in the Lavender collection. And y'all, these products have my hair smelling so good, like you can't even imagine. So yeah, I'm sectioning my hair off. I went ahead and did the bottom half of my hair just to save time. And as you can see, the products that I've used have gotten my twists looking just absolutely amazing, super juicy, super moisturized, super neat, just like I like my twists. So yeah, I got that bottom half done. Now we're going to go ahead and tackle the top half of my hair. So I'm just showing you right here that I'm starting off with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Curling Cream. And it's a pretty thick product. As you can see, it's not really moving around too much. You can shake it and it's not really going anywhere. Thick and creamy products, right up my alley. And I'm going to follow that up with the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Defining Cream Gel. So yeah, this is the first time I'm trying this combo today. This product is a little bit more loose than the curling cream, a little bit more jiggly. I don't know if you guys can see it that well, but yeah, this today's the first, or this is the first time I'm trying this combo, sorry. I'm going to go in with some water on a small section. Just spraying it, not getting it soaking wet, but I'm making sure that it's pretty damp. And after I spray that section with some water, I'm going to take my Tangle teaser. It's called the Tangle Tamer Max. You can get it at Sally's. I use this all the time. I told you guys in my previous video that my hair gets super tangled. So this Tangle teaser helps me get those knots and tangles out pretty well. So yeah, I'm taking a small amount of that Design Essentials Curling Cream, about that much. And I'm just showing you right here that I'm starting off with the curling cream, not the gel. So yeah, I'm just going to take that about that much on my hand, warm it up together, and apply it to my hair. And so yeah, for my twist outs, I don't really have any like tips or tricks or anything like that. This is just what I do when I do my twist outs. I apply the product to a small section. I didn't mean for my twist to turn out this skinny. It just kind of happened. But yeah, I apply the product. I'm getting tongue-tied, sorry. And just work it in real good to through my hair. Then I take the next product, which is the curling cream gel, and I'm going to work that in. I'll show you I use about that much, which is it's definitely not a dime-sized amount. It's probably like a quarter-sized amount if we're being perfectly honest. But yeah, I'm just taking that cream gel and topping that off on top of the curling cream. And yeah, it's funny because it's a jiggly consistency, but it's actually pretty thick once you rub it together in your hands. So I'm just applying that to the section as well. And I'm going to work those two products in. Once I feel like I have my products worked in my hair pretty well, I am going to pick up my Tangle teaser again, and I'm going to detangle that section. If you feel like you need to add more water, you can totally do that. Like I said, I'm not drenching my section of hair. I am just, wetting it to my liking, and I'm going to detangle it with my Tangle teaser, pretty much until my curls are looking nice and defined, just like that right there. And once I feel like I've worked that product in that section well enough, I'm just going to split it into two sections and start to twist the hair around itself in a roping kind of motion and just create my twist. I add a little bit more product to the roots of my hair just to make sure that any little teeny tiny flyaways, are nice and tame so that they blend in with the rest of the twist. And yeah, I'm not twisting super tight, but I'm not twisting super loose. I'm just kind of holding the hair, with a little bit of tension. Something that I definitely do throughout my entire twist out is I make sure that I take my Tangle teaser and go back over my hair multiple times. You will see throughout this video that I'm constantly picking up my Tangle teaser and detangling that section of hair, and that's just basically how I make sure that I have a nice, smooth, moisturized twist. You know, it's not frizzy, it's not bulky or anything like that. My hair does get super tangled. I know you can see the faces that I'm making. I don't know why my hair does that. It just does, but you know, something that I've figured out how to kind of work around that is just to constantly try to keep my hair as detangled as possible. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I don't really have any major tips and tricks for how to get like, you know, the most amazing twist out ever, but I do know that when I wear my twists or when I style my hair in twists, I get a lot of compliments on them, and people are constantly asking me, what do I do to get my twist so moisturized and so shiny and so frizz free? And so this is just me showing y'all how I get that done. I run my hands over my twist a few times just to get rid of any of that excess product that builds up on the outside of the twist. It will dry, but I just don't like to feel like I'm wasting that product. I leave about an inch of hair out at the end of the twist, and with that inch of hair, I just coil it and coil it around my finger until I've created a nice little curl at the end. I do know a lot of people like to twist their hair all the way down to the end. This is just personal preference. I like the way my ends looked when they had that perfect little Shirley Temple curl right there, so that's just how I do my twists, but you totally don't have to do that. It's totally up to you. But yeah, I'll just let you guys continue to watch the video, listen to a little bit of music. If I feel like I missed anything or if I need to throw anything else in there, I'll just come right on back in. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
y'all, so I finally finished my hair. Can you believe it? This was exhausting. My arms are tired, my back hurts, and I'm just so glad it's over. Yeah, this actually took me 2 hours to do my hair. But yeah, I really like the way that my twist turned out. If you're anything like me, 2 hours, 2 weeks worth of a hairstyle. So I'm gonna do my best to stretch this hairstyle out and keep it in my hair, or keep it in as long as I possibly can. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. I'm just gonna show you some close-ups, just so you can see how, nice and moisturized the twists are. And yeah, if you want to ask any questions or if you have any comments, feel free to leave them below. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Subscribe!